Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Got a groundbreaking idea? Something you have built, coded, or designed that no one else has? Protecting that idea with a patent could be the smartest move you make for your career or startup. In this video, we will walk you through filing your first patent, step by step. You will learn how to do patent research, prepare your documents, understand costs, file correctly, and even decide whether to hire an attorney or go solo. Stick around till the end, because I will also share 10 common patent interview questions and expert answers to get you job or startup ready. Step 1. Understand what a patent is. A patent is a government-granted right that protects your invention. It gives you exclusive rights to make, use, or sell your invention, usually for 20 years. There are 3 main types. Utility patents. For new machines, software, processes, or chemical compositions. Design patents. For unique visual designs of products. Plant patents. For newly invented plant varieties. To qualify, your idea must be novel. No one has done it before. Non-obvious. Not an obvious improvement. Useful. It must solve a real problem. Even a small tweak to existing technology can qualify, as long as it introduces new utility or a unique technical approach. Step 2. Do prior art research. Before investing time and money, make sure no one else has patented a similar idea. Search free databases like Google Patents, USPTO Patent Full Text Search, WIPO Patent Scope. Type in your keywords, for example, AI-based fitness tracker or ECO-friendly battery. Carefully review similar patents. If your idea already exists, make it more specific, improved, or technically distinct. Save the search URLs and patent numbers. You will need them later to show due diligence. Step 3. Choose your filing type. You have 2 ways to start. Provisional patent application. Quick, low cost, and gives you 12 months to refine your invention. You can mark your idea as patent pending. Non-provisional patent. Formal, detailed, and starts the official examination process. Most first-time inventors start with a provisional patent to lock in a date while they develop a prototype or business plan. Step 4. Prepare your patent documents. You will need to prepare the following documents. Title. Clear and descriptive. Abstract. A short summary of your invention. Background. Explain the problem it solves and why it matters. Detailed description. Describe every component, process, or software step. Claims. Define the legal boundaries of your invention, like a fence around your idea. Drawings or diagrams. Visually show how your invention works. For example, a smart solar window should include both mechanical design and software that tracks sunlight. Writing strong claims is the hardest part. Consider consulting a patent agent or attorney to avoid rejection later. Step 5. File your patent online. Once your documents are ready, head to the USPTO Patent Center or your country's IP portal. Create a free account, upload your documents, and pay the filing fees. Typical US fees for a small entity. Provisional. Use $75 to $150. Non-provisional. $400 to $800. Drawings or publication. Small additional fees. Attorney assistance. $2,000 to $5,000. After filing, you will get a patent application number instantly, and you can officially say your product is patent pending. Step 6. Examination and review. After filing, a patent examiner will review your application. They may issue office actions, asking for clarification or edits. This process usually takes 1 to 3 years. During this time, keep improving your prototype and updating your documentation. Once approved, your patent number is issued and becomes public record. Utility patents require small maintenance fees at 3, 7, and 11 years. Once your patent is active, you can license it for royalties, sell it to investors, use it as intellectual property collateral for funding. Pros and cons. Pros: legal protection against competitors, boosts credibility and investor trust, potential revenue through licensing, can increase company valuation. Cons: high costs and time investment, must disclose your invention publicly, complex documentation, maintenance fees over time. Practical tips. Keep a dated notebook of every step in your invention process. Never post your invention online before filing. Use NDAs when discussing with partners or investors. If planning to go global, file under the PCT for international protection. Use free USPTO templates or AI tools to format your claims neatly. Practice questions with answers. What makes an idea patentable? New, useful, and non-obvious. Difference between provisional and non-provisional patents. Provisional secures a date, non-provisional is the official application. How long does a patent last? 20 years from filing? Can software be patented? Yes, if it shows a novel technical improvement. What is prior art? Public information showing the invention is not new. How much does it cost to file? DIY use $100 to $400, attorney cost used $2,000 to $5,000. What happens after filing? Examiner reviews, may approve, reject, or request edits. Can I patent without a prototype? Yes, if described clearly. What happens if my patent is rejected? Appeal, amend, or file continuation. Difference between copyright, trademark, and patent. Patent equal to invention, trademark equal to brand, copyright equal to creative work. Call to action. Filing your first patent might feel intimidating, but it is absolutely doable even solo. Start with research, keep your documents clear, and protect your ideas before sharing them with the world. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment your questions. I will personally reply or make a follow-up video just for you. Remember, every patent starts as an idea someone believed in enough to protect. Thank you for watching this video. We provide handspin training with labs, homework, group projects, prepare you for the certification, provide real projects, internship opportunities, support you in Resume LinkedIn, staffing support, provide tech references, in-person online class retake options, and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.